Hi, and welcome to SketchLearn. Today we will be learning how to add fractions with the same denominators. If you would like to view the Spanish version of this lecture, please click in the description below. Si gusta ver la versión de este video en español, dejaré el link en la descripción del video. Don't forget to click like and subscribe for more math lectures. Alright, let's get started. For our first example, we will say that a certain recipe calls for 1/4 of a cup of white sugar and 2/4 of a cup of brown sugar. What is the total amount of sugar needed for this recipe? So here we have 1/4 and here we have 2/4. As you can see, the bottom number for both these fractions are the same, which in this case is 4. The reason being is that both these cups are separated into 4 equal portions. This part of the fraction is called the denominator. When the denominator is the same for both fractions, you can simply leave it the same for the final answer. So now we could add the 1 and the 2, which gives us 3. And since we know to leave the bottom part of the fraction the same, we could say that the denominator is 4. So by adding 1/4 of a cup of white sugar and 2/4 of a cup of brown sugar, we would get 3/4 of a cup of sugar in total. Now that we have enough sugar for our recipe, let's move on to our second example. Let's say you take your dog out on a walk. You start off by walking 5/8 of a mile. Then you stop and take a short break and continue for another 1/8 of a mile. How many miles did you and your dog walk all together? Well, just like our first example, this problem also has the same denominator on both fractions, which in this case is 8. So we know to leave that fraction the same for the final answer. So now we know to add the 5 and the 1, which gives us 6. And as we already know, we're leaving the denominator as is, which gives us 8. So the final answer would be 6/8, or 6/8. That was easy, right? Let's finish this lesson by practicing with some other quick examples. We could also add a third fraction and follow the same process if the denominator of the third fraction is the same as the other two fractions. I really hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching.